So hi there, welcome to module 9. I'm so excited. We have one more module to go and hopefully we'll produce a new generation of data managers who can work with data effectively. I know it's just the beginning of the journey. So I will just call this, we are getting to the end of the beginning. We're just starting. We're just scratching the surface. But the confidence is that if you have successfully gotten to module 9 by now, you should have built enough confidence to be able to face any data in the world, understand the principles, and be able to apply what you have learned. So, let's get into the major overview of Module 9. This is basically about the cleaning and finalization. In the last more or less 7 modules, we have just basically been looking at checking and what's the word? We'll be looking at checking for consistency, checking for clarity, checking for completeness. Now, after you've done all these 3, the next thing is to clean. That's the next C, clean. So you have found issues you need to deal with. You have seen that there are adjustments to make. So you need to clean. And that's what we're going to do right here. We're going to look at all these concepts again. One, overview of cleaning, how we use the replace and recode command, which I have really been restrained from using until now, but basically for cleaning. Then we'll talk about labeling, which is not too different from the labeling you must have learned in module 3. So we won't spend so much time there. And we'll talk about dropping unwanted variables observation, which is not also too different from what we've learned. And then in lesson 5, we'll look at renaming the variables, data finalization. What do you do to finally get ready the data for use? Because that was the whole objective. If you remember that journey to credible data, when it's finalized, it will be handed over to people. What do you need to do? And then lesson number 7, we will talk about documentation. So this is a very smooth ride. We will go through quickly, and hopefully when you're established in the cleaning process, you are now ready for module 10, where we begin to transit into things that are much more advanced than what we've learned so far. So thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next lesson.